Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick how to make these numbers or anything else you want to be a link to help create a dashboard with a Google Slide. So for starters, I am going to come to Schoology and I'm going to go to wherever I want the students to end up. So for this one, I want the students to end up in my ones folder within my multiplicator, within my math fact challenge. That way, when they click on the one here, they'll go to the ones and be able to take their fact quizzes. To do that, I find the code at the top, the website. I'm then going to copy it by hitting Control C. I can also right click on it and select copy, whichever you prefer. I then come back to my Google Slide and I'm going to select whatever I want to be the button, if you will, to get the students there. In this case, I want it to be the number one. So I'll select it. I find this little chain right here. I'm going to select that and it will give me the option to insert my link. I'm going to hit Control V and it will paste that link that I just copied. I say apply, and now you can see when students click on this, it's going to take them to our Rockford Schoology. It's going to take them to my course and that materials. Now, if you're sharing this with several teachers, you'll have to have them do it on their own course because they won't have students in your course. So when they click on this, it'll block them. This works really well when you're doing it for just your class, but it can be a little tricky when you try to share with other teachers. But here's what it ends up looking like. I've got my dashboard, and when students come in, you can see that their cursor or their mouse changes from the normal to the little hand. They can select on the one, and it brings them right to wherever I've asked them to go. If they're working on their twos, they select that, and look, it brings them to their twos. In this way, we're able to get the students to have more learning and less clicks. They don't have to dig through these folders. All they have to do is select one of the buttons, and away they go.